안녕하세요. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a good day, and if you aren't, I try my best to cheer you up throughout this video. Today's video is gonna be more on the chill side, so maybe you can grab a snack, a cup of tea or something while watching this. This is my very first time chit-chatting on my channel, and since I'm a pretty boring person, I decided to make it more interesting by speaking in 3.5 languages. I know I wrote 4 languages in the title, but the truth is I'm only fluent in English, French, and Malagasy, but my Korean, I'd say, is kindergarten level. So if anyone out there is fluent in Korean, feel free to pinpoint my mistakes because that's all I'm asking for so I can improve. En tout cas, j'espère sincèrement que la vidéo vous plaira, alors let's go! Disclaimer. This entire video is 100% scripted because it would have been so messy and taken a whole hour if I had just recorded myself speaking spontaneously. Nevertheless, everything I'm talking about here is sincere and comes from the bottom of my heart. And for the Korean parts, I did have to double check my grammar using a translator app. Dans cette vidéo, je voulais juste discuter en mode chill avec vous sur comment ça va pendant que j'écris dans mon journal, parce qu'on est tous un peu en galère en ce moment, je crois, et je voulais juste que vous vous sentiez moins seul, tu vois. Mais je suis qui, moi? Mais ce sera pas une vidéo triste, hein, vous inquiétez pas. Je vous parlerai aussi en 2 spi comment j'ai fait pour apprendre mes langues. Donc, encore une fois, enjoy! Aujourd'hui, j'écris dans mon journal Sex Ring Bender. Franchement, je sais pas comment on dit ça en français, du coup je le dis en anglais. Et la question à laquelle je réponds est « Comment vas-tu ?» J'ai choisi ce sujet aujourd'hui parce que je sais pas trop en fait. Je me disais que ça irait bien avec le thème de la vidéo et je voulais avoir plus de liberté que j'aurais pas pu avoir si j'avais choisi un sujet plus spécifique, tu vois. In the spread, I'm using my new Tom Bauer brush pen that I panic bought just a day before the lockdown here in France last week. I'm using these earthy colors with a newspaper washi tape and my grit washi tape. The setup is pretty simple, very much straight to the point, not that fancy, you know. And as I mentioned earlier, the prompt I chose is How are you? 여러분은요? 어떻게 지내요? 댓글로 말해주세요. 개인적으로 저는 이것을 쓰는 날에 기분이 좋습니다. 그런데 일반적으로 제가 요즘에 걱정이 됩니다. 이것은 좀 개인적인 것 같은데 사실 제 미래가 걱정돼요. 이것은 여러분은 알고 있는데 저는 프랑스에서 외국 대학생입니다. 그리고 제가 곧 졸업하니까 대학교 끝나서 바로 일을 안 찾으면 여기서 1년만 머물 수 있습니다. 그리고 on top of that, 코로나19 때문에 좀 더 힘들어요. But I mean, it's not like the door is completely closed, you know, since I study in science and it's based on research and research and research. There are many possibilities for me to get a researcher position in a lab, or I could opt for doing a PhD, but that's not an easy decision to make. And it's also not that I'm particularly scared of commitment, but what I'm worried about is that, okay, I'm gonna commit to something, but what if I end up not liking it after a few months or after a year? Et en fait, au vu de la situation actuelle, ça m'aide pas trop en fait, genre, tu peux rien prévoir en ce moment. Ou sinon, quand tu prévois des choses, on peut se retrouver obligé de tout annuler à la dernière minute ou de tout changer pour s'adapter à la situation, tu vois. C'est pas facile. Tena sarotsarotra le fiainana am'zao ka. Ouais. Au cas où ohatrany hafahafa be miteny gasy eto satria ohatrany hoe rehefa miresaka amin'ny fianakaviako ihany any tena ohatrany hoe miteny gasy ohatr'izao dia nefa ny zavatra teneniko eto tsy voatery ho zavatra hoe resahako amin'ny fianakaviako zany. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Fa raha mitovy amiko ny zavatra iainanareo na hoe mety hoe misy tahotra ho amin'ny hoavy dia tsaroa fa tsy rery mihitsy ianao. Ary izay ny antony tokony hifanohanantsika indrindra rehefa amin'ny fotoan-tsarotra ohatr'izao ohatra satria tsy haiko raha mahatsapa an'izany koa nareo fa rehefa tonga eo amin'ny autour-ny 20 taona eo dia ohatrany hoe efa olon-dehibe nefa mbola ankizy koa dia tsy hainao loatra hoe ohatrany ahoana moa zany tsy haiko. Genre tu sais pas comment t'es censé te positionner au sein de la société en fait, genre adulting, I know her. But at the same time, I'm not a child, nor a teen anymore, so you're just like confused. 아 근데 제가 왜 이런 분위기를 만들었을까요? 저는 긍정적인 느낌을 여러분들께 주고 싶습니다. Anyways, I know that some of you guys who watch my videos might be younger than I am, so I just wanted to give y'all a nice message in this video. If you're still in high school or even in middle school, or if you're just starting university or this kind of stuff, cherish those days, cherish those moments, cherish those years. I know it can be tough because of the whole pressure of having good grades and all, and honestly, growing up, you'll still have pressure on you. It's just gonna be a different type of pressure. So there is no purpose in not enjoying yourself where you are now, thinking that it's gonna be better when you're older. Tena marina? En fait, samy misy mahatsara azy daholo na rehefa ankizy na rehefa melehibe. Samy misy mahasarotra azy koa moa mazava ho azy. 저는 고등학교 때 저에게 제일 큰 고민은 사람들의 시선. 학교 가서 내가 충분히 예뻐? 내 옷이 최신 유행인가? 매일매일 그런 질문을 물어봤는데 오늘의 제가 그것을 진짜 상관없습니다. Maintenant, les choses pour lesquelles je me fais du souci, c'est plutôt des trucs d'adultes, tu vois, genre je mange quoi ce midi, je mange quoi ce soir, j'espère que je vais pas tomber malade parce que vas-y, c'est galère d'être tout seul quand t'es malade et tout et tout. Vous voyez, c'est genre des choses desquelles je me souciais pas du tout quand j'étais au collège et au lycée, quand j'habitais avec mes parents. But either way, all of these concerns are valid, and no matter what your age is, you're not gonna have concerns about something. Fa samy tena nareo hoe resy foana reny olona reny ary tena manana rary ny jery izay tsara eo amin'ny fiainanareo koa nareo fa tsy hoe na dia hoe normal aza hoe misy tahotra na hoe misy zavatra sarotra diavana dia misy rariny foana zany nareo hoe na dia sarotra aza dia tsy maninona na malahelo na tsy maninona na matahotra fa afaka mijery an'izay tsara koa. Now done with all the emotional things. In the beginning of this video, I say that I wanted to tell you guys a bit of my experience on how come I speak 3 languages and a bit of Korean. For English, I don't know, like I started studying English in elementary school, so I have about I think 14 or 15 years of English on my bag, but honestly school was just a side factor. I mean, I didn't become fluent by learning English at school. Rather, I think it's mostly thanks to social media that I started using when I was in my 2nd year of middle school, I think, which is like 7th grade. And you know, like music, TV shows, and a lot of YouTube. I picked up most of my English thanks to the media I consume. And now, unlike you would assume, I don't really use English in my everyday life. First, because I live in France, so I mostly use French, and otherwise with my family I also use French and Malagasy. And I pretty much use English just for social media and the content I create on this channel, like on Twitter, this kind of stuff. Ny teny malagasy moa zany a no teny voalohany indrindra nianarako ary marina mahatsapa-tena ho sambatra ihany a satria betsaka ihany ny ankizy gasy a tsy mahay miteny gasy fa so ihany a fa na de teny frantsay aza ny nianarako tany am-pianarana de tsy very mihitsy ny teny gasiko. Merci dada sy neny. Fa tsoriko aloha fa tena sarotra ity teny ity ka raha tsy tamin'izaho mbola kely nianatra an'izany a de tena tsy ho haiko mihitsy miteny gasy amin'izao. Sadi, comment dire, genre en fait, en grandissant, j'ai pris l'habitude de mélanger le français et le malgache parce que dans le milieu où j'ai grandi en fait, tout le monde parle les deux langues. Ça te sarotra be indraindray no mitady vocabulaire miteny gasy de du coup, atao miteny français les izy matetika. Et comme on est dans la lancée, le français, comme j'ai dit tout à l'heure, j'ai appris à l'école. En gros, depuis la maternelle, j'ai été placée dans une école française et du coup, toute ma scolarité s'est faite en français en fait. Et c'est comme ça que j'ai appris à parler en français, tout simplement. On peut dire que le français et le malgache, pour moi, c'est mes deux langues maternelles parce que ce sont les deux langues que j'ai apprises au moment où je commençais à parler. Et puis maintenant, comme je vis en France, je suis très reconnaissante de connaître cette langue parce que ce serait quand même difficile d'habiter ici et de faire des études supérieures et scientifiques en France sans connaître la langue. 아, 한국어는 모르겠어요. 그냥 you know, K-pop, K-dramas. 2013년에 K-pop 팬을 되기 때문에 저는 한국어를 배우고 싶었습니다. 하지만 책으로 배우거나 선생님에게 가르침을 받는 대신 passive learning 하고 있습니다. 그런데 지금 방탄소년단 그리고 엔하이픈 이런 영상을 보면 자막 없이 저는 옛날보다 더 이해할 수 있습니다. 근데 아직 많이 부족합니다. Finishing up this spread, I just summed up pretty much everything I wrote in this entry. And if you noticed, I wrote almost exactly what I said in this video in my journal entry. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments down below. How are you? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the bell button so you can get notified whenever I post my next video. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. God bless you.